responsible. Good morning and welcome to MightyOxTrading. Happy Thursday. I hope everyone's had a great night, ready for a great day. Let's look at the markets overnight. Find it. There it is. It's been rising up, although we pulled back some, but all-time highs again. 66.64 up to 67.19. 36, 56, 55 points in range. NQ 495 all the way up to 755. 260 points in range. Kappa 80 ticks. Ultra Bond, a little over a point in range. Big range for the Ultra Bond. Gold 44 points in range. Crude oil popping up big, about a point in range there. Natural gas a little bit all over the place. Bitcoin sitting at 117. So we sit, stand there, whatever body posture you're choosing to take on this Thursday morning. As I there. That's all right. News this morning. We have jobless claims coming up at 8:30. I don't know. Oh, we are going to run an experiment today with the bot. I have it on a brand new Apex eval. Morning, Burrell. How are you? Hey, Crypticon. How are you today? Oops. Yeah, it's the only thing that works with Crypt. Uh, First of all, Crypt, I would just give it to you. But second of all, I've only been running tests on this for 3 days. I don't trust it at all. It's not optimized at all. It could absolutely just shit the bed at any point in time because it's not actually optimized for the strategy I'm using. I don't want it to start blowing your account, Script, and because it's and I have not tried it out on Gold. I've only been trying it out on NQ and MES. All right. Sitting right under the highs of the day, which is the under the all-time highs here on NQ. So it's kind of trundling along. Pulls back. Watching pull this nice pullback here. There was a trade to be had there, but I missed it. Wasn't exactly locked in yet.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, so this took a quick scalp there on 2 contracts, 3 points. And it only ended up being 2 points, which kind of sucks, but that's okay. Oh, wait, maybe I'm reading it? No, okay, 2 points. Yeah,
Order
okay.
submitted.
Wait, what? Order submitted for what? What are you talking about? I don't see any orders. Don't scare me like that, Ninja. Oh, okay. That's why. The bot took a trade as well. I got out at a good spot. Some of the bot didn't. Morning, JC. How are you? Didn't take that blue candle. I probably should have. On the 1. Okay, wait. Okay, so the 2, it's still forming on the 2. News in about 12 minutes. Oh, wow. Nice catching it while you slept. I'm doing good. The candle went away there on the 2. Need to figure out why that's different. So did you put that on before you go to bed, or are you using some sort of bot, JC? It's going to reverse here. Maybe. Or it's just going to chop until news. No? Blue candle back up. Blue candle is working there. That formed on the 2. I didn't take it on the. But let's see what it does. It seems to be chopping. Oh wow, nice. Morning, Robin. How are you? I'm doing all right.
Order canceled.
Oh, the bot just took its first win of the day. I would like to, JC, but I'm thinking more later in the year than the beginning of the year. I promise you guys that this, this whole Mighty Ox retreat thing will happen at some point in time. I created a channel on the Discord to follow my progress. I just haven't posted anything yet. I'm hoping to start it off with a video this weekend, and then we'll go from there. No, I haven't. Honestly, I don't like watch any trading content. Probably should. And keep continuing to rise up, back up. That's actually we're at new highs a day, which is our all-time highs. This run up here right before this news makes me think we're going to drop at news, but I'm not like placing an order there thinking that's what's going to happen. Trading around all-time highs is always tough. Morning, John. How are you? A little bit of a pullback here right before news. Purple candle right before news. Bot's going to end up taking that if it holds. It's not holding. It's, Morning, Amelia. Good to see you. Yeah, I should have traded last night, but this 8-hour stream kind of exhausted me. All right, news coming here in 10 seconds.
Order submitted. Order canceled.
Ooh, quick stop out there on the bot. Should have turned it off for news and then turned it back on. It lost everything from the last trade plus a little bit. Jobless claims 231K. They expected 240K, so that came in a little better than expected.
Order filled.
I'm short.
Order filled. Order filled.
Boom! Target hit. It's the 7.5 point trade on 2 contracts. That was a $300 trade. We're up 380 on the day. And we are now just about $300 away, a little bit more, from passing 4 more Bowenox accounts. 6E just took a huge dump, John, on that news. It's been coming down all night. Well, I shouldn't say that. It rose up and then it's coming down. Amelia, as of today, I'm still trading evals. I do have a bot on Apex eval, but yeah, I'm gonna continue to try and drive up the number of funded accounts until Monday, and then I think I'm gonna do a video over the weekend, like something like the title. I have 30 funded accounts, no payouts. Follow my progress from here. All right. I like this for a bounce on 6E right here. Yeah, I'm up to 23 now. Although I mean, three of the Bowling Oxes are waiting until I get over the threshold of the first three. But six Bowling Ox, 12 Apex, 5 Top Step, and a partridge in a pear tree. Bouncing up here. One minute chart told me to go long, but I decided not to. Let's see if it was a mistake. Yeah, I could have got a quick scalp. Trump stopped talking. Oh. I don't know. I'm gonna start trading on Monday. Like I said, do the video and then start being. I'm gonna start doing a daily video summarizing my trading. Try and get people drawn in to start watching more of my content. And probably because when I start trading the funded accounts, I also seem to not do well. So I mean, right now I got the 12 apexes, 10, two are brand new from yesterday, but all the others are red. So there's one that's in critical condition. I got two that have about $600 in drawdown left. I have one that has less than $500 in drawdown left. One that has about 1,000 in drawdown left, and the others all have about 2,000. So, I mean, I need to start rehabbing them. It just seems like if I trade the funded accounts, it doesn't go well. Trading evals does go well. I don't know. The three Volanoxes that are activated, they're slightly red by 150 bucks. Back down we come.
Order submitted.
Really? Oh yeah, how about that? Bot just entered a trade. Morning, JJR. How are you? I do have the bot trading an Apex eval today, which means it should go absolutely haywire and blow at the count, but we'll see. It's about to take its second loss. Yeah, maybe not. Have a great day, JC. 6E did have a little bounce there, right into the 9 EMA. Let's see if it continues up. Gold with a nice pop. Nice, JJR. I'm sorry to hear that you blew one. That wasn't nice.
Order canceled.
Yeah, it's bot just stopped out. We are about 45 minutes from the bell. Chopping around 7:35 here. My mama told me we're gonna chop around. I believe on the 29th, we're going to try and bring back evening streams. Now that could be interrupted on depending on the Phillies' playoff schedules through October on Mondays, but other than that. We are just completely sideways right now. Morning, Ron. How are you?
Order submitted.
Really? I disagree, bot. But okay. Wait, what the heck did you get a green candle from? Oh, wait. No, you got it. Okay. I was looking at it wrong. Okay. Morning, RJ. The bot took a short.
Order canceled.
And bot took a win. Yeah, we're not sure if it's smart. Yeah, it's actually red on the day right now, John. Now I haven't submitted it yet. I don't like that account. I ended up going red on a few trades, and it's only up $500. So if I take it, it's going to take me below. Well, I should say it's up 2,500. So it'll take me down to only $2,000 in drawdown. It's gonna happen soon. I promise you guys. Or either that, I'm gonna blow all 24 funded accounts and retire and become a monk. How you doing today, RJ? Morning, Platt. He's resorted to Shakespeare. Getting a tiny little blue candle on the 1. And it went away. Now we gotta see if we can hold 700. We've dropped about 55 points from the top. Beware the Ides March. That's cool. Okay, everyone needs to start sending Amelia knitting videos. We found her weakness. So this is interesting. Someone just posted this on the Discord. When the Fed cuts interest rates within 2% of stock market all-time highs, The S&P 500 is going on to finish higher over the next 12 months, 20 out of 20 times, 100% hit rate. Yeah, YM's falling, ES falling, NQ falling, Russell falling, Treasury's falling, Gold's kind of falling, crude's falling. Everything's unhappy right now. I hate seeing things so unhappy. It's sad. Red Rover, Red Rover. Send in Q's all-time high zone over. Apparently couldn't break through the wall. Now it's trying to break through 700, and it does. Down to 695. $690. Still a long way to go before low of day, which is at 495. Look at this just dying. Bleeding out. Top of the hour. Call the medevac. Sorry about the yawns. Ultra bond showing a little sign of green there on the 2-minute chart. And now we have a possible bounce here on the 1 minute on NQ. We'll wait till that candle finishes. I like a setup here for long. Yep, back to red. Ultra bond back to red. Gold falling harder. Just a total bleed. Morning USC. Put on protective gear. The market's in a bloodbath. No, it's actually good news today. The jobless claims came in a little bit lighter than they expected. But that's where it reversed. That's where it started coming down with the news. So didn't expect this type of fall, though. We're down almost 100 points now. RSI on the 1 minute chart is like one of the lowest I've ever seen it. Every fiber in my being says long, take a long. And then my brain says, have you looked at the frickin' chart, you idiot? That was the biggest candle of the bunch coming down on either the 1 or the 2 minute. So big moves often end with bigger candles. So this could be where the pop happens. Mary Poppins. And there's a 10-point pop on NQ. We're getting beaten back down to 6. I got 8 seconds on this 1 minute candle to decide what I want to do. I'm going long.
Order filled.
Did not give me immediate gratification. Now it's coming back on me. Probably gotta give up my gains for the day here.
Order filled.
Yep, I did. Good job, Brian. As usual. Idiot. Stupid fuck. Now it's gonna bounce. Second green candle. Now blue candle on the 1. Or it was for a second. This is the candle I should have waited for.
Order filled.
Fumbling with the 9 EMA though. Are you kidding me? Really? Guess not. Wow. See, this is why I gotta stop trying to play reversals. Oh, come on, it's coming back. Come on, come back. So right into the 9 on the 1, but the 2-minute I really like the setup on. Come on back, baby. Don't call a comeback.
Order filled.
Target hit. Back to green on the day. Because, okay, so even though you guys are seeing a 2-minute chart, I'm looking more at a 1-minute chart now again. And hold on, I will bring up the 1-minute. So on the 1-minute, the first one I tried to take was this green one. That was a mistake. If I had waited for the blue, which is what I took, which is the second trade I took, that's the one that just worked. So I should have waited for a blue candle instead of just jumping on the first green candle. I'm using both. I have both charts in front of me. I have two 2-minute charts, two 1-minute charts in front of me. They each have different indicators on them. And that little green candle that I took first didn't follow any of those indicators. That was the one that was an idiot for taking. Meanwhile, the bot's like, I'm out. I'm not doing anything here. YM setting up nicely there. Or it was. But YM's dying again. And Q's struggling to go higher. It only went 2 more points higher than my target there. So my target was good. We are less than 17 minutes till the bell. No ace yet. He's been coming in early, but no ace today yet. And Q giving another blue candle on the 1-minute chart. But it's sitting right below that 9 on the 2-minute, so that's not good. I thought YM was setting up for a good trade there with that green candle, and it decided not to. So I will stop looking at that for now. Right now we're chopping at 675 on NQ, trying to get higher. The 100 EMA on the 2 is sitting at 682. Russell also trying to bounce here. Gold tried to bounce and failing. It's a failure in its metal life. There's NQ with a blue candle above the 9. Let's see how it finishes. It's got 30 seconds. It's just very ever so slightly above the 9. Nope, now back below the 9. Back above the 9.
Order submitted.
That was the bot that you heard take a trade off that blue candle.
Order filled.
Now that was me that you heard take the trade off that blue candle. Morning, Ace. How's Ace today? I'm going to get stopped out again. Looks like. Yep. So I'm going to go back to red on the day. I think. Is the bot still in the trade? Bot's still in the trade. Bot's smart enough to only use one contract. Actually, yeah, I probably should be. Yeah, my ATR, there's no reason I should be using 2 contracts anymore. Forgot to check the ATR. That was a mistake. Another doctor appointment? Oh, we were telling her about the bot, Platt?
Order filled.
Target hit. Now the bot wants a bigger target. The bot wants 702. I went for 691, which is 7.25 points. I'm now up 530 on the day. And between $100 to $200 of need on those 4 Bolinoxes to pass them. So if I hadn't taken the stupid trade, the one that without a blue candle, I would be much better. I have no doubt that you'll do it, Ace. So right now I'm beating the bot because the bot went for a bigger target and it's back to break even. I just had a conversation with Crypticon about too many contracts. That's cool, Flat. How'd your trade go? Nice comeback, Platt. Keep keep digging up out of that hole. Less than 10 minutes till the bell. Burrell, we will get to your TED Talk. Here's that possible pullback and then moving up that you're looking for, Ace. I don't know how far up you want it to go. I will say the bot, let's see here. Got within 1 point of stopping out. Now it's coming back. Oh yeah, I missed it. You did say that. Sorry about that, Ace. Dow's kind of side A's. Ultravon just kind of sitting there. Ooh, 6E did not go up. Bot is back to break even. Bot's looking for 18 points on this trade. Whoever programmed the parameters for this bot's an idiot. Meanwhile, the MES bot is not taking a trade all morning. And Q can't get through this level here, 684, yeah, which was actually the bot's entry. Just kind of bounced off of it. I think it wants to come back down. Purple candle on the 1. We could just chop here for the next 5 minutes. We'll see. Oh, getting the move down. Nice ace.
Order filled.
Wait, what? What you talking about, Willis? Oh, ES finally took a trade. No, I forgot about the MES bot. That's what that's what you just heard there. I'm gonna let the bots hold their trades through the open, see what happens. I think they're going opposite directions, and Q wants long, ES wants short on the bots.
Two minutes till the bell.
And honestly, I have no idea where we're going at the bell. No idea. None at all. Right, we're coming back down here on this purple. Looks like the NQ is going to stop out finally. Well, every time I say that, it doesn't. It stops. It goes back up. Oh, no, maybe, nope. It's torturing me. Not that I care. NQ hovering right over the bot stop, and now bounces.
Order canceled.
There we go. Now it's stopped out. Stopped out and then popped up. But the ES trade worked out for the bot. It's up $237. Coming down. I need 10 points to pass 4 more Bowlenoxes. Not even 10 points. Technically, I need 9, anywhere between 5 and 9 points. Interesting bounce here on NQ. Gets beaten back down. So I think Ace Trade just went long on gas. Or are you speaking French? I should have taken the blue candle on the 1. That would have worked. Nice, Ace. Would have worked for 10 points. Struggling to get back through 700 here on NQ. Oh, that came right back down on you, Ace. Cool. Good job. NQ rising. I see NQ rising. I see profits on the way.
Order filled.
Okay. What do we take? Oh, we took a short on ES. The bot took a short on ES. Don't agree with that, but Q giving a purple candle here on the 2-minute chart. Oh, it went away. Gold falling like a rock. Like a rock. It's a nice trade though, Ace. Blue candle on ES here, so that means that bot's going to stop out. I think. So far, this really hasn't given us a direction.
Order filled.
Stopped out on ES and then took a long on the bot. I'm just sitting here watching. Russell's popping. ES popping and Q kind of popping. Q trying to get above that 100 EMA on the 1 and the 2. A 1, then a 2. There's NQ rising up with a blue. Or trying to. But yeah, this has been an uneventful open so far. Oh, coming down. Having a good trade right there. Purple candle hanging off the 100 EMA like that. That went great. Looks like we're going to stop out again on the bot on the MES. Maybe not. Here it comes back again. Gold still falling. Ultra bond falling. Great call, Platt, on the continued fall of the ultra bond. He was like, the Ultra Bond must go down, and it must go down hard. Russell pulling back. Excellent plat. I was hoping he did. And Q continues down. So we hit 650 earlier, about half an hour ago. It looks like it's trying to break that level there. It did. And we're down to 640. I was going to say, that sentence didn't seem right there for a minute. If Tio was here, he would have jumped all over that. I hope CFT comes back one day. Gold just straight down. Hesitated that I had a blue candle in the 1 minute and I didn't take it. Let's see if that ends up biting my tooks. Yeah, so far, yeah. Yeah, there would have given me 10. Would have gave me 10, but not. It would have been quick and it's right back down. So I'm happy not taking that trade. I'm gonna hate this. Purple candle on the 2 minute there, and the bot's gonna want to take that. Yeah, it's not showing the purple on the NQ chart on the MT for some reason, so that works. It didn't take it. Not afraid of falling, but I hate it on the ground. Still a long way to go before overnight low, but it's starting to look possible. 495 is the overnight low. There's a bounce, possibly. He who hesitates is lost. I was going to take that long there, and I chickened out. And it would have given me 10 again. Now, technically, it is still setting up as a long on the no, not anymore. It isn't. Never mind. So it's giving me 10-point pops, but nothing more. Continue down. Yeah, popping up nicely. That was a big pop, really. We got down to 598. It's back up to 651, so over a 50-point pop. YM. Wow, YM looks ugly today. There's a bounce there on the Ultra Bond. Gold trying to bounce here a little bit too, because there's some positivity coming into the market. Set with myself for not taking that long there. 2 opportunities to take a long, and I didn't take either of them. Okay, we're up to the 100 EMA now. We're back quick on the NQ. That would be their own fault, Platt. In this day and age, who uses Steam to power anything? Yeah, I figured Steam was still actually a big thing, but I was thinking like, trains, steam engines. Approaching the top of the hour. Hey, Jay. College football team, the Boilermakers. Poiple on the 1. Really? It's boring, Platt? Gold setting out with a blue candle. I might take that because I'm bored as heck. As soon as I said that, it went away. Okay, it's back. I was going to say, as soon as I said that, it went away. You know, it doesn't want me to have fun. All I want to do is have some fun. I got a feeling I'm not the only one. Nice. Guess as long as the stuff didn't, this steam pot didn't blow up.
Order filled.
We're long on gold. Not being copy traded. It's just on the take profit trader account. Or at least I hope. Yeah, it's just on the take profit trader account. And they never caught on, Platt?
Order filled.
Took 21 ticks from gold there. That was a nice trade on gold. And Q moving up as well. Thank you, USC. So we're back above 700 on NQ. So we're going to go back up to all-time highs. High day, a high of all time, 762. We're back to 716. Oh, USC, it said your mug should arrive on Friday, according to the notice I got in my email yesterday. So the market was like, it's time for a crash. Nope, just kidding. We're just going to go back up to all-time highs. Straight up. No Tio today. So he goes on stream yesterday and doesn't show up today. He was just sitting there waiting for me to say his name. How's it going today, Tio? I'm doing all right. And there we go. New high day, new high of all time, new high of forever. 767. So what a bounce. Definitely more bounce to the ounce there.
Order filled.
Yeah, John. It's not doing what I wanted it to do.
Order filled.
Stop me out. Damn it. Still rising. Another new high. 774. 774. How we doing? Red, green, or somewhere in between? Devastating, Tio. Devastating. Wow, it's not been a good day for people here. It's unusual to see a lot of people say they're red.
Order filled.
Nice, John. Very nice.
Order submitted.
The bot just took a trade. I'm in a trade. Bot took a trade. Bot got a better entry than I did. Bot's red on the day. Getting redder. Oh, Lord. Why do I bother with these indicators? They're worth nothing.
Order canceled.
Bot just stopped out. I'm stupidly still in the trade. Yeah.
Order filled.
Damn it! I'm now red on the day because I'm an idiot who keeps thinking that my indicators actually work. That I'm ever going to be successful at any of this crap. That's just it. It's not. I mean, I took the trade late. Then I didn't use the right signal to get out that I tell myself when I'm backtesting. I'm just an idiot. I'm sick of being an idiot. This is why I don't trade the funded accounts. Looks like it wants 800. It's got within a tick of 800. There it goes, 805. Once again, I didn't take a blue candle with the trend. I was there fighting the trend. Didn't take the blue candle that was perfect. Question is, why didn't the bot take that? Wait. Oh, that's right. Well, oh, I know why the bot didn't take that. That would have been a nice 20-point trade right there. Easy peasy lemon squeezy, and I didn't take it. No MR today.
Order filled. Here we go. Maybe. Could have had a 10-point trade. I got greedy. And now it's bouncing on me. Oh wait, maybe not. Where's that EMA sitting? 777. That's probably why it's bouncing on me. Are you? Come on back down for me. There we go. Maybe. There we go. Target hit. That was a 10-point trade. 10 and a quarter. Back to green on the day. Good job, USC. But unfortunately, I was only $100 to $200 away from passing those other 4 Bowen Oxes, and now I'm over $500 away. I hate going backwards. Purple candle on the 1, but it's overextended on the RSI. Nine people here, only 5 likes today. Maybe instead of expanding the stream, maybe I need to just not bother with it. Nice job, Platt. Nice little grind down.
So one at 800, it got 800, got a little above it, and then plopped back downwards. But honestly, I think it wants to bounce again. I'm not sure there's really any difference. I think the terms are used interchangeably. I'm not really sure that anything that's a bot is really an algorithm. An algorithm tends to make it sound like it can adjust to things, whereas the bot just does what you tell it to do. I don't know. It's just written in Ninja script. Ninja has a bot builder built into it.
Order filled.
Bot just took a trade on ES. Big old purple candle here. It's extended on the RSI. the bot took a trade on NQ. $19-point stop, 20-point target. It's currently up on that ES trade. Yeah, I mean it's the same bot, just one's on. I just have it trading on MES and NQ, and the bot's not doing well at all on NQ. Or well, it's red on both of them. That big blue candle there, it's gonna put it down almost 1,000 on the day, unless it comes back down here. I mean, I figured if I put it on an evaluation, it wouldn't do well. What? He was up 587 for today, I think he said, but he's still red on the account overall. Bot got stuffed out of the NQ trade. Now it's down 996 on the day. Not a trade I would have taken. And if my bot was optimized, it shouldn't take it either. But actually, I take that back. That was actually a well. Eh,
Order filled. Order filled.
The dumb trade, dumb trade. That was actually
Reading the market. I shouldn't have.
or maybe it's going to come back down now, and
Order filled.
the bot
Order
took it,
filled.
so I'll take it.
What's the bot's entry? Bot's entry 757. My entry 757. Ha ha ha! I got a better entry.
Has not been able to get below 751. Now it's breaking. There's 750. There's 748. I'm in at 57. Come on. Bounced on 46. The 100 EMA is sitting at 37, which is where I have my target. Can I get down there? Not looking like it, and now, damn it, it's bouncing. Got greedy, should have taken 10, and instead it's coming back up and almost at my entry. Bot's target 742. That's more realistic, but both of us are now red. Here it comes again. Ooh, catch it if you can. Ooh. I hit the close button 3 times and it didn't close.
Order filled.
I took 5 points. Would have taken 10 points, but the button didn't work. I am frustrated today. Very frustrated. Now it's going to go down to my own target. Watch. I gotta stop getting frustrated here on the stream. I apologize, guys. Kills the viewership. I understand that. No one wants to hear someone there grexing about their trades.
I would have hit my original target there. Bot hit target. I want to thank everyone for joining me today. We'll be back tomorrow to finish up the week. 8 a.m. Eastern Time. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you then. Bye.